Opening scene, calm morning music, sunrise visuals. Narrator, soft and engaging. There are moments in life when everything feels the same. Days repeat, dreams fade, and motivation disappears. But sometimes, one small habit can transform everything. Today's story is about a young man named Arun, someone just like you, just like all of us. A person who was searching for change, but didn't know where to begin. 1. Introduction to Arun's life. 1. Drawn Drantau to Zeigen. Arun was a dreamer with big goals. He wanted a better life, success, happiness, and peace. Yet every day, he woke up late, rushed through mornings, complained about stress, and ended each night feeling unaccomplished. He wished he could change, but he never took action. One night, tired of his own excuses, he whispered, "If I want a new life, I must first become a new person." And that single thought led to a simple habit. 2. The habit that started it all. 2 Feinien for Natraind. Arun decided to wake up just 1 hour earlier every morning. No strict rules, no extreme goals, just 1 hour for himself. At 5 a.m. the next day, the alarm rang. Arun wanted to snooze it, but he didn't. He stood up, slowly but proudly. He made his bed, drank a glass of water, and sat in silence watching the sunrise. It felt new, it felt good. The next morning he woke up early again. Then the next, and the next. That one simple habit became the foundation of his transformation. 3. How his life began to change. 4-6. With that extra hour, Arun started reading 10 pages every morning, writing down 3 goals for the day, exercising for just 10 minutes. Slowly, everything changed. His mind became clearer, his days became organized, his confidence grew. When friends asked, "What changed?" he simply smiled and replied, "I changed how I start my morning." 4. Results after 3 months. 6,8. Kundru. Within 90 days, he stopped procrastinating. He felt happier, sharper, more focused. Opportunities began to appear. People noticed his growth. Not because he worked harder than everyone, but because he started his days with purpose. He realized, success doesn't start with motivation. It starts with a habit. 5. Final message to the viewer. 8-10 lecture. Narrator, gentle, inspiring. Arun's story is not special. It's possible for anyone. Your life doesn't change overnight. It changes with small steps, repeated every day. So ask yourself, what is one simple habit you can start tomorrow morning? Wake up earlier, read, exercise, pray, reflect, grow, because the life you want is waiting for the person you're becoming. Start with one habit. Start with one morning. Start now. Fade out. Soft motivational music. On-screen text. Habits build success. One morning at a time.